Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to outline text in Adobe Photoshop. First of all, this is a text written on Adobe Photoshop. What you have to do is first of all click on this plus icon on the bottom right corner to create a new layer. I will create a new layer and I will move the text layer to the top, and the new layer will be on the middle and between the background. So what I will do, I will just select right click on this T and then click on select pixels. Now I will go to the top and click on select and modify and select the expand option. I will select the number of pixels. It depends upon how bigger the text is, so it depends. You can try different settings. So I will select 5 and click on OK. Now my borders have been expanded by 5 pixels. Now I have to select a color. For example, I will select a black color. I will move it to the top and I will select this bucket tool just under the eraser tool. After selecting the bucket, I will click on the text. As you can see, my outline has been applied to my text. If I click on Ctrl D, as you can see, the outline has been applied into my text in Adobe Photoshop. So that's how you can outline text in Photoshop. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.